on Christmas, I got a present, and it was this science kit. It's for working with magnets, and inside there's all sorts of different things. There's this book that has a guide inside. This is just a piece of cardboard. It's nothing exciting. You can make one of these. This is 3 magnetic balls. I'll just put them and show you that they're magnetic. Magnetic balls. Magnetic balls. A horseshoe magnet. A tiny teeny magnet. A metal rod that's actually pretty small. This is also magnetic. These 3 magnetic rings. These little plastic chips. This bar magnet. It's the strongest magnet in there. And this sand. It's not just dyed sand, it's iron sand. So now I'm just going to put it all back and show you some chips. For the first chip, I'm going to use the little plastic chips and the bar magnet. First, I'm going to take all the plastic chips and... Uh-oh, what a big mess. To clean it up like this, it would take years. Probably not, but just. So, to make it very quick, I'm going to use the bar magnet, like this. And now I can just put them back in their bag. The next trick will be with this magnetic thingamajiggy and the magnetic rings. I'm going to put the rings on.
Why are the balls in it?
Because when you put the North Pole and the North Pole of the magnet together, they don't want to stick. Or the South and South together, they don't want to stick. But if you put North and South together, then they want to stick. I can show you with the horseshoe magnet and the mini magnet. They have labels South and North. So if I try to put North with the North, it doesn't stick. But when it comes close to the South, then it sticks. The same thing happens if you try South with South. Instead, the South is going to stick to the North. My next trick will be with the balls. If I put the balls and this rod, hey you. And then I just, oh wait. They don't roll away. They roll stuck to this. Only if you spin it hard enough, then it'll kind of swing off. Next trick is pretty exciting. It's with the iron powder. And with each one of the magnets. Anything magnetic. Anything. At all. But the compass, I'm not going to bother it. Because I said I'm not going to use it. So, with the horseshoe magnet, look at the iron. It sticks to it because iron is magnetic. And now I can do the same thing with this. But this time it's going to make a special shape. A food shape. It's a fluffy donut. Fluffy donut. It kind of looks spiky. My next one, I can do it with the bar magnet. If you do it from the bottom, it looks like hair. Oh, it looks spiky. Wait. And with this technology. My next trick, let me first tidy up. My next trick is probably the most exciting one yet. I'm going to make one of my puppets dance. I have a few puppets here. I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to need this one, and the box. Nothing inside the box, just the box. I'm going to make it dance. I'm going to need one of the balls and one of the magnets, one of the puppets. Now first, I'm going to tape the puppet, since it's not going to actually go on. Nope, not going to. The last time when I showed you that I was going to do a trick and make this puppet dance on this, it took me a while to get the puppet to stick on the ball, but now I can make it dance. I'm going to take the magnet and put it on, just like that, and now watch. Ta-da!
Thank you.